This demo introduces the IBM Mobile OpenAdmin Tool for Informix app for monitoring your Informix database server instances on the go from your mobile device. Mobile OAT is available for download for both Apple iOS and Android devices. Mobile OAT provides you the power to quickly and easily monitor the status and performance of all of your Informix database server instances from the palm of your hand, anywhere you go. The first time you use Mobile OAT, you will be prompted to go to the settings page and enter an OAT address or URL. Mobile OAT requires access to a regular web-based OpenAdmin Tool version 3.11 installation for the web services that it will use to connect to your Informix database server instances. You cannot use Mobile OAT without the web-based OAT version 3.11 installed in a web server that is accessible from your mobile device. On the OAT address settings page, enter the URL to your regular OAT installation. You can use the Validate button to test if Mobile OAT can connect to your OAT URL. A green checkmark icon indicates that Mobile OAT was able to successfully connect to the OAT URL. The OAT address is the only setting that you are required to configure before you can use Mobile OAT. However, the settings page does provide additional options that you can use to configure your Mobile OAT installation. A number of settings, including the alerts, online log, and storage settings, allow you to control how much data is brought back from the database server and displayed on your mobile device. For example, here is the alert settings page where you can configure the severity and types of alerts that are shown in Mobile OAT, as well as the number of alerts to display. There are two ways to log into Mobile OAT. You can use the Group Login tab to log into a group of servers, or you can use the Server Login tab to log into an individual server. Let's start with the Group Login. The Group Login tab allows you to log into an OAT group, which is a collection of Informix database servers. OAT groups provide a convenience for monitoring multiple Informix instances simultaneously. Mobile OAT piggybacks on the OAT groups defined in your regular web-based OAT installation. You have to use regular OAT to add or modify your OAT groups. But once defined, OAT groups provide a convenience for monitoring the status of multiple database server instances within Mobile OAT. To log into an OAT group, select the group name from the OAT group drop-down, type in the group password, and touch Login. The group login takes you to the group summary page. This page shows you a list of all database servers in the group, along with status information about each server. You can see if each server is currently online or offline, and you can see high-level statistics relating to free memory, CPU usage, and the number of user sessions connected to each instance. To drill down on any server, touch the row that contains the server. Let's drill down on the server Chicago. When you have drilled down to an individual server, you will see 4 tabs along the bottom for navigating between the Health, Performance, Users, and Server Details views. The first tab is the Health view. This view shows the alerts for your database server and its online activity log file. The Performance tab has 4 sub-tabs relating to memory, space, I/O activity, and table activity. The Memory tab allows you to identify if there are any memory issues on your database server. It shows the memory usage for both the operating system and database server levels. If the free memory percentage for either the OS or database server falls below 10%, the graph will turn to red to alert your attention. This page also shows the number of sessions and the average and max memory per session. The Space tab graphically depicts the space usage for each of your DB spaces, SB spaces, and blob spaces. This list is ordered such that those spaces with the lowest percentage of free space appear at the top. The I/O tab shows I/O activity by chunk. This includes the number of I/O operations, total I/O time, and operations per second. The Tables tab allows you to monitor the table activity on your database server. It shows the number of inserts, updates, deletes, and scans for the tables with the most activity. You can use the drop-down to control whether this list is ordered by the tables with the most inserts, the most updates, the most deletes, or the most scans. You can drill down on any table in this list to see more detailed table information. The Users tab shows you the user sessions that are currently connected to the database server, including the number of commits, the connection duration, and the number of rows processed by each session. Finally, the Server Details tab shows you basic information about the server and its host operating system, including the server version, its uptime, and the operating system total and free memory. As you can see, Mobile OAT provides a lot of detailed status information about your Informix database servers. It's an ideal way of checking up on your database servers while you're out of the office and on the go, and it allows you to do quick problem determination if there is an issue on one of your database servers. Besides the group login, there is also a way to log into an individual server. Use the server login page to enter connection details and log into an individual database server. Logging into an individual database server takes us to the same drilled down view that we get to if we log into a group and then select to drill down on an individual server. This concludes the Mobile OAT demo. You can download Mobile OAT from the Apple iTunes App Store or from the Google Play Store.